Jess and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 new DIYs that I made using Dollar Tree items, and these DIYs are perfect if you have that neutral fall vibe in your house, because I'm going to be using like all these neutral colors, but remember that you can add maybe some orange or the color that you preferred and match with your home decor for fall. And if you like them, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And remember to follow me on all my social media pages and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box, and let's get started with these easy fall DIYs. Okay guys, for the first project, I'm going to be using this pumpkin sign. This is just like a part of a Dollar Tree pumpkin sign that I have at home. The other part I already used it on another project, and I'm going to leave you the link in the description. And I want to give it some texture to this pumpkin sign, so I'm going to be using a piece of burlap fabric that I just have at home, and I'm going to be covering the whole pumpkin by gluing the edges on the back side of the pumpkin using hot glue. Guys, I'm going to be sticking this burlap fabric with hot glue, so remember you can use like a popsicle sticks or just cover your fingers to avoid burning yourself with the hot glue. And after you are finished, you can cut the excess burlap fabric that you may have in your sign with some scissors. From there, I'm going to be using this wooden pumpkin sign, also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the tag, and I'm just going to leave it the natural wooden color just because I love it. And I'm going to be sticking the burlap pumpkin sign in the center of the wooden pumpkin with some hot glue. Then, like in the middle of the pumpkins, I just leave a small space to be able to stick some leaves that I just had at home and give it more dimension to this project. With this ribbon that I have a long time ago, I think it's from Walmart from the Christmas season, I'm not sure, but I'm going to be using it to make a small bow, and then I glue it on the center between the leaves and the burlap pumpkin. For the last step, I'm going to be putting this metal word that says harvest, and it is from Dollar Tree. You can get it on a pack of 3 different words, and I'm just going to stick it in the center of the sign with some hot glue, or maybe you can use a stronger glue, and that will be it, guys. This will be the result, and I really love it. It has that neutral fall vibes, and I just love how it looks. And you can give it maybe some orange touches if you want, or any color that you prefer, and that's it. You're going to have this beautiful easy pumpkin sign. For the next project, I'm going to be using this cute Bless wooden sign that Dollar Tree brought new, and I really like it. And on the back side has this battery light, and I think it's amazing. So I just want to change the wood colors, so I'm going to be using some stain to make the color that I really want. So I'm going to be using the stain in golden oak color, and I'm going to mix it with stain in classic gray color just to get like a lighter color, not too gray, not too yellow. I think it's just perfect. after I paint it, you can let it dry very well. And basically what I really want to do is just to add some things to style it. So the first thing I did was to add a bit of Spanish moss inside from Dollar Tree, so that later I could put some leaves that I have and weeds here and there. Guys, you can use maybe flowers or fall leaves to add more color. And just in case, these weeds I get them from Amazon, and you can get like a really amount of weeds for a very good price. So I'm going to leave you the link in the description box just in case that you are interested in these weeds. Finally, you just have to turn on the light and this will be the result. It is a super easy DIY that you can do, and Dollar Tree has other options in these like wooden word signs that you can also use. For the last project, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree fall sign, or you maybe can use any sign that you have at home and it's going to work too. And most of the Dollar Tree signs have glitters. So the first thing I always do is to remove the glitter with a sanding sponge or a sandpaper, and then I'm going to be cleaning up all the mess that I ended up having in my work area because of the glitter. So for that, I always use my mini ladybug vacuum, and of course in the description you can find the link of this product. Then I really want to change the color at the edges of this sign. So for that, I'm going to be using first these blue tape that you can also get from Dollar Tree to cover the parts that you don't want to be painted. I'm going to be painting the edges of the sign with this Waverly chalk paint in moss color that I really love, and then I'm going to let it dry, and once the paint is dry, then you can remove the tape. I really want something simple in this sign, so I use this wooden pumpkin from Dollar Tree that I already had from another project, and I just put this like vintage tile decal and I stick it in the center of my sign, and I think it adds that high-end looking and looks beautiful. For the final touch, I'm going to heat a small bow that I made with this U-twine with hot glue on my pumpkin, and that will be all, guys. These small signs are the perfect addition to a tier tray, and I just place mine in this basket that I got from a thrift store, and I fill it with some leaves and Dollar Tree pumpkins and this beautiful black candle holder on the back side, and I think it looks amazing. And my loves, I really hope that you like these easy neutral Dollar Tree DIYs that you can do on a budget. So yeah, I hope that you like it, and if you do, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box, and as always, see you on my next video. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.